This lesson shows you how to solve linear systems by graphing. To solve a linear system by graphing, begin by solving each of the equations for y, that is, converting them to slope-intercept form. X plus 3y equal negative 9 is equal to y equal negative 1 over 3x minus 3. And 2x minus 3 equals 0 is equal to y equal 2 over 3x. Then graph each equation. Y equal negative 1 over 3x minus 3 begins at negative 3 on the y-axis and goes downhill with a slope of 1 over 3. And y equal 2 over 3x begins at the origin and goes uphill with a slope of 2 over 3. The solution to the linear system are the coordinates of the point where the two lines intersect, the point negative 3, negative 2. Before moving forward, though, you need to understand why this is true. Recall that the graph of an equation is a picture of its solutions. For example, here's the graph of the first equation. One of the points on the graph is 3, negative 4. If you substitute x equal 3 and y equal negative 4 into the equation, you get 3 plus 3 times negative 4, which is 3 minus 12, which is negative 9. And you can see that the coordinates of the point are solutions to the equation. And it's not just this one point, but the coordinates of all the infinite number of points on the line are solutions to the equation. So if this graph shows the solutions to the first equation, and this graph shows the solutions to the second equation, the point where they intersect shows a solution common to both equations. The coordinates of the point where the graphs intersect are solutions to both equations. To solve the system by graphing, begin by converting the first equation to slope-intercept form. Subtract x from both sides for 3y equal negative x, negative 9. Then divide both sides by 3. Negative x over 3 gives negative 1/3 x, and negative 9 over 3 gives negative 3. And the equation is y equal negative 1 over 3x minus 3. For the second equation, add 3y to both sides for 2x equal 3y. Then divide both sides by 3 for 2 over 3x equal y. Flip it around, and you have y equal 2 over 3x. Then graph both equations. For the first equation, begin at negative 3 on the y-axis with a slope of negative 1 over 3. That's down 1 and over 3 to a point on the right, and up 1, back 3 to a point on the left. Then draw a line through the points. For the second equation, the y-intercept is 0. Begin the graph at the origin with a slope of 2 over 3. That's up 2 and over 3 for a point on the right, and down 2, back 3 for a point on the left. Then draw a line through the points. The solution to the linear system is the point where the two lines intersect. Be sure to check the solution in each of the original equations. For the first equation, substitute x equal -3 and y equal -2. Then 3 times -2 is -6. And -3 -6 is -9. And the solution checks in the first equation. For the second equation, substitute x equal -3 and y equal -2. Then 2 times -3 is -6. And -3 times -2 is +6. Then -6 plus 6 is 0, and the solution checks in the second equation. To summarize, convert each equation to slope-intercept form and graph. The coordinates of the point where the lines intersect is the solution to the linear system. Be sure to check the solution. This lesson has been brought to you by the Math Fun Academy. Its continuing mission to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new math and new equations, to boldly go where no math student has gone before.